Happy Friday the 13th, 2020.
Oh,
What?
it is the 13th.
Yes.
You never told me that. I wouldn't
The
have.
calendar tells
I would have
us.
walked much slower when I was walking Sawyer.
So, the song fits the day, I think.
You know, I think Hugh and Lisa might be able to relate to some of this music here. What do you think?
I'm not getting into that. So, did I
All
say
right.
Happy Friday? Yes, I did.
Yes.
Happy Friday the 13th.
Yes.
Okay, so here we go.
All right. Well, in Northern Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy, and he had on a still. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down. Then he'd fill up a jug and he'd pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, your pappy's corn squeezing. It's getting hot now, white lightning. Well, the G-men, revenuers too, a-searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept them cooking. Woo, now, whoa, a white lightning. Well, I asked my old pappy why he called his brew white lightning instead of Mountain Dew. Well, I took a little sip and right away I knew, and my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, thunder started crashing. I need my mommy now, oh, white lightning. Well, the G-men, revenuers too, they were searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Who shot Sam now, white lightning? Well, a city slicker came and he said, I'm done. I think I'm gonna taste that powerful stuff. He took one slug and he drank it right down, and I heard him a-moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, your pappy corn squeezing, white lightning, do, oh yeah. Well, the G-men, revenuers too, they were searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Oh, white lightning. Okay, that's a wrap.
That's the best hiccuping I've heard. Say goodbye, Sam.
Goodbye, Sam.